Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about some traders scam. Before putting these videos, I thought many times, should I do this? Sometimes with a good intention we do, but sometimes the people even troll us back. I tell you what has started and how it has started. Sometimes in a few years before, I went for a conference. So there was another speaker who came to that conference, and he decided to be a hero. He showed to the organizers with 50,000 rupees capital, and within 6 months he has made 30 lakh rupees profit, and he has given all the proof. And then the organizer was telling me, this guy is a very big guy with 50,000 rupees. He has made 30 lakh rupees. I said, okay, we'll let it be there. So why should I bother? But then what happened, the way, people respected me. So this trader got annoyed and he started speaking so much against me. And then, I just don't bother because there are so many people talk against Narendra Modi also. So why he should bother? And the same way, when so many people talk against me, even if you come to my social media, that people say, you are a fraud, you are fraud. Many people open Twitter account only to say that I am fraud. Okay, let me be a fraud. So what does it matter for you? One of my friends actually asked me, sir, please tell how is it possible with a 50,000 rupees capital, he made 30 lakh rupees. I didn't want to tell, but because he insisted, so I just told him, I'm giving you the hypothesis only. And because if a person can make 50,000 to 30 lakh, then that 30 lakh can become 30 crore can become 300 crore. And what should be his lifestyle? And that trader still travels by bus only. He does not even have a car. After so many years, recently only he bought a motorbike. And when I say lifestyle, people think, okay, you are promoting luxury. No, I'm not promoting luxury. You want to make thousands of crores, okay? You don't want to do charity. Warren Buffett makes thousands of crores, but he still lives simple life. But still, there is a proof to show that he is making money because he does a lot of charity. Even you do charity, that is also a part of a lifestyle. I don't want to do charity. I don't want to buy car. I don't want to buy house. I don't want to do anything. I just want to eat 3 times. Then what for you have to make thousands of crores? It makes illogical. Therefore, I told my friend, okay, so I am assuming because of his lifestyle, somebody who is claiming I have 100 crore, 200 crore, don't you expect them to have a small car with 5 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees? So then I told him, there is a possibility. So what is that possibility? So this guy may be buying option in huge quantity in his account, and equivalent quantity he could be taking a short position in some other account. What happens if the market goes up? He makes a good profit in buying of option. He will close the position in both the accounts. So effectively, he makes no profit and no loss. But in his account, there is a good profit, and he will come to the social media. He will put, see, today I made profit. And you know how that guy put the profit? Capital 20 lakhs, time frame 45 minutes. I made a small profit of 12 lakhs. 20 lakh capital, 45 minutes you are making 12 lakh profit, that's a small profit. The same guy will tweet some other time, people don't want to get rich slowly, they want to get rich fast. That's why they lose money in the stock market. And like all kinds of things, this guy, used to conduct some workshop. Somebody posted a video about it. So he enters the hall, one lady walking with him, another lady walking in front of him, taking a mobile camera, shooting the video. Background music, what music is that? Bahubali music is going on behind. And everybody was asked to stand before he enters. And then he go and just clap with everybody. Then go on to the stage and say, you have to be humble. If you are not humble, the market will make you humble, right? And people clap. So, all kinds of things, it goes on. What happens as and when there is a loss in his account, the corresponding profit will be in some other account, but he will go silent on that day. But whenever there is a profit in his account, loss in other account, he will come, look, this is my name, this is my account number. I made a small profit of 12 lakh in 45 minutes. And then, he was successfully making a lot of money. right? Through workshops, people are greedy, right? They want to make small profit of 12 lakh in 45 minutes. They go and attend his workshops. All those who attended a workshop, I really don't know whether they are really making money. When I said this, even after that, many people even started trolling me also, right? When I say I made profit, they say you are losing somewhere else, That's why, if I'm taking long position in my account, I'm taking a short position in another account. That's why I used to say for fun, I bought my Mercedes-Benz S-Class because I'm long in Mercedes-Benz S-Class in India. In some other country, I shorted Mercedes-Benz S-Class, right? At the end of the day, you want to believe everybody, or you want to believe all the social media posts, what somebody has done, and somebody has actually calculated his total profit. And that was running into many crores. The basic question comes, a guy who is making with a 20 lakh rupees capital, making 5 crore, 10 crore, and forever his capital remains 20 lakh rupees. The capital never increases. I think somebody would have complained to regulatory authorities. I think regulatory authorities have investigated. So he was asked to not to put his P&L statement in the social media anymore. After that, he never put it. And now he says, why I should put my P&L? I must help other people to make profit. But it's clear that the regulatory authorities have done that. So why I'm saying this, all those people, who are showing unreasonable profit. Somebody, told me, there's one trader who put the screenshot every day, 1 month total screenshot, add up the profit. That works out with 30 crore. And somebody making 30 crore rupees per month, assuming that other months, the things are not really that good, at least 10 crore they must be making. So somebody making 10 crore, 20 crore per month, okay, so they want to come and give you tips in Telegram for 4,000 rupees. And people believe that and they pay money also. All kinds of things is going on, especially, in fact, putting the MTM screenshot, that the trend was started by me in India, I think in 2017 or 18. But then when so many people started putting fake screenshots, so I stopped doing that. So nowadays I don't put any screenshots. But rarely, sometimes, if I have some interesting thing, I did this strategy, that strategy, sometimes I put it, but otherwise I don't put MTM screenshots. Very simple. So if you are greedy, and people will try to stimulate your greediness to take away money from you, either it can be through workshops or some advisory or many other things. So it is your money. At the end of the day, you have to decide. Let us hope at least some people are being saved by this video. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.